channel where we explore the wonderful world of Adobe Illustrator CC. Today, we'll be focusing on the Arc tool. To access the Arc tool, click and hold the line segment tool in the toolbar until the flyout menu appears. Then, select the Arc tool. Once you have the Arc tool selected, click and drag on the workspace to create the curve. You can adjust the curve's shape by dragging the handles that appear on the curve. You can also adjust the arc size by holding down the Shift key while dragging. Now, to access the arc segment tool options, simply click on the artboard after creating the arc. A small window will appear where you can adjust the arc's properties. Host, in the arc segment tool options, you can adjust the arc size and shape by changing the values on the X and Y axis. You can also choose to create a closed arc by selecting the closed option under type. Like this.